complains the most at D1NZ?
Blackie.
Who was the first New Zealand champion?
GT.
Pass.
Who was the first Pro Sport Series champion?
Pass.
What is the maximum score for qualifying?
100.
102.
102?
Is it? Oh, qualifying. I thought it meant
Who is the most decorated D1NZ driver?
Sam West.
Semi-slicks or street radial?
Semis.
Night events or day rounds?
Night.
Custom tracks or open circuits?
custom tracks.
Yeah, he's blowing the right rear tyre. Now he's blowing the guards off. Wow. My gosh.
Who's crashed the most at Mount Smart?
Stocky.
V8 or 2JZ?
V8.
You said 2J.
No, I didn't.
You did.
No.
See, you just know you're a 2J man.
After party or head home?
Home to the missus.
Yeah, home to the missus.
What's your favourite racetrack?
Paper.
Taupo.
Favourite team?
RHP.
Favourite driver?
Seaton.
Dad Delhi.
Who's going to win the first round?
Sam West.
Blackie.
Who has the best style in D1NZ?
Sean Potros.
Sean.
Whose drifting style needs attention?
Sam West.
Anyone with a V8.
Dream competition?
Drift Masters.
Yeah, Drift Masters.
Dream battle matchup?
James Dean.
Yeah.
What is your favourite food?
Curried sausages.
Curried sausages.
Yeah, that hurts. See, Thomas is like, yeah, boy, I got you.
Delicious.
Who's the most underrated driver in New Zealand?
Ra.
Yeah, right.
Out of Rotorua, 7-2 motorsport, and there it is. Right up on that ledge.
One word to summarise Case Pullenberry.
The man.
Animal.
Where should we watch D1NZ in 2025?
Oversteer TV.
YouTube, live.
Mark your calendars. D1NZ 2025, a season you won't forget.